What's up, guys? I'm here at Alpha Omega Graphics here in Castleberry? Longwood, Florida. And we are prepping the Commander. Check this thing out. Decal removed. Obviously, you guys already know about the fenders. Look, grill, headlights, all gone. Bumper, trim, I showed you that earlier. We still need to do something about these door handles. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with these. Mirrors have to come off, but made a lot of progress. Towards the rear end of the car, we got tail lights out. We got rear wiper removed. All that kind of stuff obviously still needs to be prepped back here, but we got the rack off, the roof rack. Check it out. A lot of progress so far, a lot of progress. We're wrapping up with disassembly, but there still will be a lot of prep to do. Car is filling up with car parts. But this is very exciting because you guys are about to see the color for the very first time here as Maniac goes ahead and lays it down. What do you think of this color, dude?
This thing is...
It's gonna be sick.
No, this is gonna be something else.
Guys, if you don't know, this is Avery Dennison. This is a rugged combat green. And what's super cool about this wrap is it's textured. I don't know how well it's showing up in the camera, but this is a matte kind of green. And we are going to be doing a kind of black and green combo on this install, and it's going to be killer exciting. So we're going to let Maniac do his thing, and I'm going to keep disassembling.